Hi everyone, so today we're doing another Chrysobox unboxing. Still unsure how to say that. But I know I took a break from a while. I had to unsubscribe, having some money issues, and I'm trying to focus on college, so I had to work less at my job, so I couldn't afford it for a second, but we're back. I also have a nail box up shortly. This is December 2020's box, the last box of 2020. And let me just read some information. I should pull this up before. Okay, step 1, sign up for a 1, 3, 6, or 12-month automatic renewal subscription. You can add on an LED lamp for $29.95. You receive the box with 4 to 5 nail care items plus nail art accessories or tools, and it's worth $70+ on retail price. And then play with the box. But let me see. Hit subscribe now. Month to month, it is $34.95. 3-month prepay is $100. 6-month prepay is $199, and 12-month prepay is $397. So I believe if you do more months, it's like a better deal. But yeah, so that is the box, and we'll just go ahead and get into what's in this one, specifically. I don't know what I was trying to say, but let's go get into what is in the box. Alright, so like I said, this is the December 2020 Chrysobox. So let's go ahead and see what's in this. Hopefully my cat doesn't get in the way of this video. I'm just gonna move him. Say hi. He's playing with some flowers I got. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this box. What I love about Chrysobox is it comes with a card. It tells you what everything is and how much it costs. So let's move all this confetti, and the first thing I see looks like nails and callus care, like a buffing block and file. Let's see. Nail and callus kit. It's a disposable kit made easy for convenience for your every mani or pedi. Each kit includes necessities like a nail file, buffer, and pumice, and this is $3 for $3. Allie, this was a mistake. Let me look again. Alright, the next thing in the box, I think we've had something like this before. A Candy Cube moisturizing scrub. And that is Whale Spa Valentino. It's in the size and shape of a shirt cube. Each petite scrub is designed to evolve your at-home mani and pedi rituals into the spa-worthy indulgences in 60 seconds or less. Individually wrapped, richly scented candies delivered in a precisely measured 3-in-1 regimen to exfoliate and soften and protect hands and feet. And this is worth $20. Oh, you know what I did? I forgot to grab swatch sticks. Let me go grab those real quick. Alright, I am back and prepared for swatches this time. Kind of totally forgot about that. So let's grab the next item out of the box, because the rest of the items are either nail polish or gel polish. So, I'll just grab the first thing at the top of the list, and it is Reveal Gel and Polish Duo. Reveal by Nail Harmony Duo set consists of matching gel polish and nail lacquer. Gel lasts up to 2 weeks with no chipping and smudges, and flawless application, easy soak-off removal, and this is $9.95. So let's go ahead and pull this out. Looks like a really cute color. So this is what the bottles look like. Let me make sure I'm in view. So let's just go ahead and swatch. I'll do the gel first. Oh, it's very sheer. I'm only going to do 2 coats of it though. And then I'll also show you how I do my swatch sticks. So I'll do Reveal Gel, and what was the name? Let's see if it's on this bottle. Oh, Pink Petal. And like that, and then we cure. And so I'll do the Reveal Polish Pink Petal. Reveal Pink Petal. Sorry, my cat is so annoying. He's a kitten, I should just say. because that's why he's so annoying. And like I said, if you guys are interested, I'll do a video of how I got him and like more about him and such. Alright, so there's one coat of that one. As you can see, they're very sheer. One coat of the gel polish is like literally looks non-existent. This one's the gel polish. So I might have to do a couple coats of that, but let's add on another coat. It's very sheer. Okay, let's add another coat of this polish. And let me know in the comments whether or not you like to see the swatching part, or if you'd rather just have me swatch them off camera and then show you a swatch stick of it. So, there, we'll do 2 coats of that one. And 2 coats. Alright, the next item in the box, I'll set these off to the side. Let me write 2 coats on this one. The next item is this Morgan Taylor, oh, this is such good polish. Morgan Taylor Professional Nail Lacquer. All pigments are saturated, pure, and finely milled for luminous metallics, never before seen shimmers, decadent creams, stunning sheers, and more glistening glitters. And this is $9.50, so that's an expensive polish. And let's see what it looks like. It's a very pretty shade, and it's perfect for a Christmas red, since this was the December box. It's so pretty. Oops, great. I've absolutely destroyed this matte. So this is Morgan Taylor in shade What's Your Poinsettia? Morgan Taylor, What's Your Poinsettia? And I'm going to do 2 coats of it eventually. And the last thing in the box is this Deborah Lippmann polish, Can't Be Tamed. And let's see what it says. Deborah Lippmann Luxurious Nail Color. Luxurious nail color made with acumina, I don't know how to say that, biotin, and green tea, free from formaldehyde, toluene, dibutylphthalate, and not tested on animals. And this is worth $20. So this is an expensive polish, and it says new on it, so it must be a new shade, and it's really cute. Also great for a Christmas look. So let's go ahead and swatch this one. Oh, that's so pretty. There's a cat hair on it. A little bit sheer. I was expecting it to be more opaque, but you can still get a great look with it. Okay, so let's write that down. Deborah Lippmann, Can't Be Tamed, and I'll probably do 2 coats of this as well. And let me just swatch the Morgan Taylor one more time. To get the 2 coats on there. And that is what the Morgan Taylor one looks like. Like I said, a perfect Christmas red. And then I will swatch the Deborah Lippmann one more time. I think 3 coats would have been better, but 2 is okay enough. It's very pretty. I like it. It's like a, I don't even know how to explain it, because it's like goldy, but almost kind of, what's it called, bronzy at the same time. Okay, so I'll put that off to the side, and let me add up the total of everything that was in this box. So you got 3 polishes, 1 gel, these cube things, I forgot what they're for, moisturizing, and then a callus and nail care kit. So let's add up the total. If I can unlock my phone. $9.95 plus 3 plus 9, $150 plus 20 plus $19.99 is $62.44. So on their website, it claims that it's at least a $70 value, so I guess that's kind of disappointing, but I don't know. I'm still happy with everything I got. I only paid, what was it, like $29 for the box, so I got double what was in what I paid for the worth of it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this box. Please consider subscribing to Chrysobox. I love this box so much. And yeah, I hope to see you in my next video. Have a great day, guys, and please remember to like and subscribe. Bye!